What is up, everybody? I hope you're having a good day. All good days here. Today we're going to look at Natural Movements Pack for Genesis 9. Now, this was, I didn't know anything about this one. There was somebody in the chat on this forum that told me about it. I tried to look who it was so I could give credit where it's due. But I couldn't find it. So please, if you're listening, give me a shout or give me your name, and I can put it in the details or whatever. I'm sorry about that, mate. I'm really sorry about that. Anyway, I saw this, but I never knew what it was, and I hardly read things. It's difficult to, there's so much stuff out there. It's crazy. Anyway, we're gonna go over this one. This is Natural Movements Pack by Mechasar, Mechasar. I don't know. Anyway, it's awesome. This thing is incredible. But I'm going into this as an absolute noob. Now, there's a billion morphs for this thing, but I've looked at it quickly. I don't know quite how it works, whatever. Anyway, I've got two characters here. And when you get to this thing over here, you'll see it over here in this. But when you double click it, there's nothing in there, right? So what you got to do is you got to click on your character, and you got to go to all and just type in natural. And over here, you'll get these 4 buttons, mate. Okay. This is for all of it. This is the body on and off, feet on and off, hands on and off. I'm just going to put all of it on for this character. The first one, this one over here. I've put the resolution up, so we should be able to see a bit of stuff, mate. Now let's just strike a pose and see what it does straight out of box, mate. So I've got this, I've got the character, and I'm going to go to scripts G8 to 9 pose converter. I've got this pose converter that helps. It's pretty cool. And I'm just going to say close, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one, mate. So one of them I've got this deformation on, and the other one doesn't. And, god damn, look at that. You just take care of this stuff. We don't care about that for now. But look at that. Look at this part here. Look at this. Look at the neck. That's pretty damn bloody fine, mate. That's bloody brilliant. Look at the definition in the neck. Look at the arms. Look at the muscle on the arms here. Look at that. Here. This is bloody brilliant, mate. Now look, I've touched this once or twice. I haven't touched it a hell of a lot. Look at that ass. Okay, it's doing some. Oh, look at the back. Look at these parts over here. Now, look, man, I'm terrible at this stuff. I'm not good with Daz. I'm not good with Daz at all. Let me just have a look here quickly. so listen to what I got to say, because I know everything. Okay, so there's definitions everywhere. Stomach there. I mean, this is pretty damn cool. Straight off the bat, it does this. Now look, I'm not good with this Daz stuff. I know it comes with a ton of these, but I don't know where to find them all at once. If I wanted to find all of these morphs at once, how? I don't know how to do that. So the only way I know, if anyone knows, please tell me. I'm not good with this program. I'm gonna go look for spine. Okay, spine. So let's have a look at spine. I'm gonna click on my character and press spine, and these are them. Okay, so I guess now that it's activated, I can use these. Yeah. Damn! So you can go in and tweak all of these parameters the way you want them. This is awesome, actually, man. The definition alone is wicked. It's bloody brilliant, mate. Look at that. Left to right, over here. Look at that. Oh, my God. Look at the difference, man. Look at the difference in that. The arms are what gets me the most. Like, this is just... Oh, and the neck. Hot diggity dog, man. Hot diggity dog. Let's move this one a little bit closer. Get a little closer to her, mate. Get a little comfy. Here we go. A little bit more comfy so we can see both of you together. That's insane. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. But what I got to do is I got to go all the way back here, and then I wish there was like a, you know, most things have like a whatever, but this doesn't. It includes the morphs hand, right, bend down, hand, right, hand, maybe, yeah, okay, so just look for the black morphs then. Type in, okay, I guess so. Okay. Okay, it's this hand. It's this hand. Okay. But let's have a look there. Pick here. And you can see. Oh, man, this is awesome, dude. Awesome. Look at this. You can put back volume. Oh, that's the right one. That's the right one, love. Ari, look like you can do to the bodies now. Look at that, son. Look, over here. And these are both on high resolution. Look at that. That is insane, man. That is beautiful. That's beautiful. Yeah, right hand. Put as much as you want down. Bend up. Oh, okay. Wow. That's not. So it's these black controls here. So I could probably put in leg. Hopefully, mate. And there's the legs. Look at them. Okay, so easy enough. Once you know, let's look up glute, because that glute looks strange. Glute. Look for the black controls. There we go. Oh, that's not good. And thigh? Nothing there. So it's probably leg. Okay, leg. Left back. So you got control. There we go. Okay, so you can mold it back in there. Man, this is awesome. Put a bit of strain on that. Wow. This is fantastic. For those of you that don't want to put a lot of work into defining the body, I mean, this does it all for you. And on top of that, you can still go back in and do it. And there are some incredible. I mean, this is kind of the details you look for. You know, like when you do a face or something, and you look for those details. You know, those nice details in the face. Now, this does nothing with the face, but the actual body. Wow, man! You could probably type in army, and there they are. Okay, so easy enough to look for. Wow, man! Wow, that's insane. Put some volume back in there. What's this? So that's kind of normal. But if the arm's up, you can define that. That's insane, but it does most of it automatically, and then you can go in and tweak. This is incredible, man. This is incredible. Look at the ribs. Look at them ribs. This is absolutely stunning. Let's try another pose. Okay, let's check this one out. Look at the bend in the belly. The bend in the belly. And I'm betting you if I make this a little more bendy, I'm going to get more definition. Look at that, love. Yeah. See that? Let's see the legs. There are some little strange things happening, but I mean, they look better than that one, definitely. Let's have a look up here. Look at this part. Look at that, man. Look at that. That is insane. Do you get that here? Not as much. No. Look at the arms. Look at the way they bend. Wow, man. This is a definite strong winner, eh? Wow. I mean, if you're looking for bodies and you don't want to do much to them, this is cray. Cray. Does it do feet, eh? What does it do to feet? Does it do anything to the feet? Hold on a second. Look at that, mate. Look at that. It's bloody brilliant. Let's do it with these two feet over here. It's easier to have a look at. Let's move this little wee bastard. Let's move you a little bit closer so we can look at the feet. Let's look at the feet over here. So, let's bend this one. And let's bend this one. Oh, this is beautiful. Beautiful. I really think this is a beautiful plugin, no? It's beautiful. Let's look at what we have over here. Let's look at this little one over here. Let's look at this little one here. Better definitions. More volume. Let's straighten this one out. Well, not that much. Straighten this one out. Anything here? No. No, mate. Nothing. Nothing at all, mate. We got duped. We got duped. It does nothing, this plugin. Nothing, mate. What about this? You get the folds. You get the folds. Okay, so not much there either. Wowee, that is insane. Let's really bend this body. Let's bend this body. Let's get that out. Let's get out of the other one. Alright, you're separated. I've done my surgery. I've done my surgery. Let's twist this like Beckham. I think I did the top. Anything here? Wowee, wowee, wowee. Look at that. Let's get rid of this. Look at that, man. So this is awesome. For bodies, you switch it on and you pose. And that's it. It does the work for you. That is incredible. Yeah, look, I'm going to keep this one short. I got to go away. So I got to keep it short, this one. But Ari will be there. I'll be back next week. I hope this helps, but this is an absolute winner. For me, personally, this is a... Wow, let's try something like this, just quickly. Not that much, Ari. No neck bends like this, Ari. No neck bends like that. It doesn't work like that, Ari. Let's twist, you bastard. Let's twist this little bastard. Alright. I mean, the two necks compared, you can't compare the two. I mean, it's amazing. The definition you start getting in that one is mental. It's mental. I expand that all the way back for you there, love. Like a chiropractor. And let's have a look. I can't really say with this bloody thing on them. I can't really say with this bloody bra on them. Take off the top for now, love. That's right. Get a little comfy. Let's see here. Top. Okay, so there we go, man. There we go. 100%. Absolutely amazing. This pack. Really, really, really. So if you're into bodies and you don't want to do a lot of work on them and you want the definition to follow, this is a fantastic pack. This is so damn well done. Well done. Well done to you, Mechasar. Mechasar. Anyway, awesome plugin, mate. Awesome plugin. Anyway, I hope this helps. Have a great weekend, people. I'll speak to you later. All right, cheerio.